the Ministry of Health earlier this evening announced that the country had recorded the first death from coronavirus. In a statement, the ministry said the victim who died this afternoon is a 66-year-old male Kenyan citizen who had been admitted at the Aga Khan University Hospital Intensive Care Unit. Now, the patient had been suffering from diabetes prior to contracting COVID-19. He arrived in the country on the 13th of March from South Africa through Switzerland. This sad twist was preceded by news that there were 3 new cases of the coronavirus, bringing the total number of cases reported in the country to 31. The 3 patients are all female, 2 of them from Kilifi County. Leila Mohammed now reports on why the country's coast, particularly Kilifi County, is under sharp focus following this development.
On Thursday, 74 samples were tested at various government facilities and the 3 positive cases came from the latest batch.
All the 3 new confirmed cases are Kenyans, females aged between 30 years and 61 years. The 3 cases are close contacts of previously confirmed cases. 2 are from Kilifi and 1 from Nairobi.
With 31 cases already confirmed in the country, the government is now looking into specific counties, which it says could be red zones at specific places where this virus is spreading fast.
There are consultations going on how our teams are going to handle Kilifi and other areas that are emerging as hotspots.
With the county of Kakamega announcing its first positive case, a 19-year-old from that county, the ministry is now asking all county governments to coordinate with AMOH on communication.
The case that was reported by the government is actually a case that is currently admitted at Bagadia Isolation Center. And the fact that this gentleman comes from Kakamega County, I think that is why Kakamega decided to report.
18 patients are admitted at Mbagathi Hospital, while 906 people are being monitored after coming into contact with some of the cases that are positive.
These 31 confirmed cases are spread out in 5 counties, namely Nairobi, Kajiado, Mombasa, Kilifi, and Kwale.
As at March 26th, 600 samples had been tested, and the exercise will be hastened with the arrival of more testing kits. Over 2,000 people who arrived in the country since Monday are observing mandatory quarantine as they await testing. Leila Mohammed, NTV.